This is Ben.
This is Nick.
Let's make waffle. Putting anything and everything in a waffle maker. All right, Kraft singles. Boom. Really expensive prosciutto. Super cheap bun. All right, you're up, Ben.
But I'm out. Oh, it looks so good.
Go. Go, go, go. I like this two-person technique.
Whoa! Put a plate and put that under the plate.
Yeah. Right, Ben.
Dude, time to start a truck.
So you get that cheese out while it's still not on a stick. Tell you what. Whoa! Whoa! Dang, Humbo!
Wait, we gotta cut that sucker up. Dude, that's incredible how it just waffle shaped.
Oh, are you doubling the cheese?
Yeah, dude.
Dude, you know what you should do if you're gonna double?
Tell me what I'm doing wrong, Ben.
Tortilla, cheese, tortilla, cheese,
All right.
tortilla.
Taco Bell thing.
It's awesome because then the middle tortilla never gets crispy. It stays all chewy. It's the best.
All right, here we go.
That
Cheese.
No?
It's like
It's just more than I would have imagined.
It's everywhere.
More than necessary.
that's out of it. I'd say that's a good deal.
try it without.
Let's try one and then another one.
Which way are we turning? There you go.
Shut up.
Should we do our little...
Oh, what is that?
It's the quesadilla.
Oh, right.
Should get in here.
Whoa!
I like how it's just in the inside.
Whoa!
That's
Nailed it.
whatever Kraft mac and cheese you use.
Whoa. Yep.
Oil. I wanna
Dang.
make brownies. I need 2 eggs, half cup of oil, and a 1/4 cup of water.
How many grams is that?
You think you can handle that?
I don't know, I only know how to sous vide, so.
You need 65 grams of water, 75 grams of oil, and 100 grams of egg.
Boom! Ice cream. The brownie when it comes out?
Oh, Oh, dang. Is that fried rice?
To be honest, it's not as crispy as I was hoping for. But the flavor is really good and it looks awesome.
What is
Reese's peanut butter cup cookie.
definitely break your face right off. Wait, what?
It's a very delicate
wanna keep it
little lotus flower.
Great. It's a very delicate little lotus flower.
Should we do funfetti?
Gyoza.
One in each quadrant.
Sesame oil.
What? These are gonna be so good. Check those gyoza,
Yeah, I'm
huh?
surprised now. Oh, they look good. Let them go.
That looks like a beautiful lotus flower.
That is.
You can turn it up?
Yeah, dude, it's adjustable heat. So
I don't know.
you
I feel
can-
like that looks pretty good.
This is a steam bun.
Thanks, Steve. Just hot. Oh, it's hot. Decking out our confetti cake, which is my favorite cake. Right behind carrot cake and German chocolate. And graham cracker cake. And pumpkin spice cake.
Looks like your
This is my
750.
favorite.
All right, we got an open side here.
You're up, Tim.
Hot stickers over there. Amy can have it.
There you go.
This is not gonna end well. Okay, yeah.
He decided I'm going to aggregate all my interests in my life and have little stations. So we're
That's
awesome.
interesting. I want to rave in a half pipe while gliding.
This is moderately disconcerting. Is there blue? Where are you cooking that's blue? I don't like cake a lot, but I might like these better.
You're gonna like this. Hey, yeah, baby.
And who still has the metabolism of a teenager can have that piece.
Happy 39th, Chris. It's good, huh? It's alright.
It's a sugar bomb.
Sugar bomb!
I'm actually starting to vibrate.
I like how our waffle cake turned into Chris's birthday cake all of a sudden.
Amy, your casserole's ready.
It's yours?
Well, your name wasn't written on it.
It was a Mexican casserole.
Was.
It's still gluten-free.
This whole thing.
Benny,
Yeah.
go pop this like. Put some like sour cream and cilantro on it.
Will you fix this?
I don't think it's Amy's. Why did she put her food in the freezer?
Because it's in the freezer we have.
I fixed it. If someone wants to eat it, I can't. I'm done.
Love
Gyoza was good. Cookie was good. Mac and cheese was really good. The hamburger or the breakfast was on its way. I think the ham and cheese was still as like a solid start. So good. Thank you, King's Hawaiian. Humbaos were good.
Cheese works great too. After a while, it gets nice and crusty.
Yeah.
Kind of fries up in there. Gluten-free Mexican casserole. We'd never do that again.
Amy's lunch. The quesadilla. It was awesome.
Oh yeah, the quesadilla.
It was like
cool.
crunchy, crispy, and so gooey in the middle. It was awesome.
I really like the gyoza because it creates those little cavities, so it traps the vinegar and soy sauce when you put it on.
Hey, what's that? Is that leftovers?
Can't stop.
And on that plate.
Finish it. Get it away from me.
All right, I think we need to clean up now.